Use of is or are. A. Use is for one person or thing and use are for more than one person or thing. Monkey is on the tree. Birds are flying in the sky. The two girls are happy. Flowers are growing in a pot. The corns are in the basket. A squirrel is sitting on the log.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.